Hey guys, this is minus 24 Celsius. Feels like minus 33 this morning. Cold start for the 2022 Ram 1500. That sounds good. That's a cold start, baby. Yeah, she's nibbly out this morning. Feels like minus 33. Woo! Oh yeah. Let her warm up. She's still revving out. She hasn't been started in a week. Just been sitting here. Fingers getting cold. All right, see you guys. Peace out. All right, this is now warmed up. She's all dialed in. Sounds way better now, smoother. Still smokes, but that's what you expect with minus 33 Celsius. All right, peace out, guys. Sounds really good. This is also OEM. I never did anything to it. Took me 2 years to break this thing in. It got louder, that's for sure. Also, guys, I forgot to say that it was not plugged in. I did not plug in my block heater and my NOCO maintainer. Yeah, so she started like that without a block heater, which other cars, you need it. Yeah, that's how you know she's good.